All right, so if you were to go into a store and you saw that there was a sale on something and it was like 30% off and a shirt cost 20 bucks, would you know what the price would be in the end?
No.
Okay. So that's what we're going to do today, is basically we're just going to go through and we're going to learn how to walk into a store, see a sale, percent off, and decide how much the final cost is, so you don't have to like go up to the counter and ask. You can just figure it out yourself. So the few things that you need to know how to change percent into a decimal. And do you remember how to do that?
Yep.
So if something's 50%, what would that be in decimal?
45.
Perfect. So you need to know how to add, subtract, multiply, and know how to shop, which I'm assuming you know how to do.
Yeah.
All right, so the formula that you use for this is you take the original price of the item before the sale and you multiply it by the percent off or the decimal point. And then you're going to get the amount that it's going to be taken off from it. So then you do the original price again, subtract the amount that's going to come off, and then you get that final price.
Okay.
So I'm going to do a couple, and you don't have to worry about it at all. I'll just do them myself.
Okay.
And then we'll do some together.
Okay.
So the first one says, the Old Navy outlet is having a sale. All clothing is 50% off. Ashley finds a shirt that she likes that costs $24.99. How much will the shirt cost after the discount has been taken? So if I look at my formula here, I'm going to take the original price, which is $24.99, and I have to multiply it by the percent off, which is 50%, so that means that's 0.5. So I'm going to multiply that by 0.5. And so actually I guess I can just do it long here. And you can use your, if you're in a store, you're most likely going to just be using your calculator.
Yeah.
So actually, do you have your phone with you?
Mm-hmm.
All right, if you can get your calculator out, that'd be awesome. All right, so $24.99 times 0.5.
0.5. It's 12.495.
We'll call it $12.50.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
All right. So $12.50. So according to this, we did our original price times the 0.5. We get the discount amount. So this means that $12.50 is going to come off from the original price.
Okay.
So now you do $24.99 minus $12.50. And basically, I know that this is going to be $12.50 as the remainder because it's half price. Yeah. So we took half off. So the final price in this will be $12.50. So the second one says, Coach is having a sale on wristlets. There's a sign in the store window that says that all wristlets are 50% off today. When you get into the store, the clerk gives you a coupon for an additional 20% off. You find a wristlet you like. The store clerk tells you that it will cost $39.99 after the 50% is taken off. If you use your coupon, how much will the item cost when you get to the register? So this happens a lot. You go into a store and they're like, oh, but if you buy today, you can get an extra however much off, like an extra 10% or extra 20%. In Coach, it's usually 20%. So they're telling you that they already took the 50% off, and now it's $39.99. So the original price for this one we're going to use is $39.99. And then we're going to multiply it by that percent. So I know that it's 20%. Move back 2 spaces, so 0.2. So $39.99 is yours on.
$39.99
times 0.2
$8
is $8. Yeah, $8. Okay, so then we follow the thing. Original price was $39.99 minus the $8.
$31.99.
Alright, so we'll do the next one together.
Okay.
Alright, so jeans are on sale at the Gap. If you buy one pair of jeans, you'll get the second pair for 50% off. The jeans you like cost $39.99. If you buy 2 pair of these jeans, how much will you spend? So you know the first pair
is $39.99.
Is going to be $39.99. So we just need to find out what the second pair is going to be.
Okay.
So we take $39.99, that's the original price. And then what's the percent off?
50%.
Okay, so what we're going to multiply
times
by?
0.5.
Yep, perfect.
Equals $19.99.
Okay. So we've got $39.99 minus 19, and now we'll say minus 20, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
$19.99.
Okay. So we know that one pair is going to be $19.99. What's the other pair going to be?
$39.99.
Okay, so what do we need to do to find out how much they're going to be together?
Add them.
Yep.
$59.98.
Okay, perfect. We'll do one more together, and then you can do the last two by yourself.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So you go shopping at Route 21. You find a jacket on clearance, which costs $19.99. Clearance is an extra 20% off today. How much will the jacket be on sale?
$19.99.
Yep, that's the original.
Times 0.2
Mm-hmm.
is $3.99.
So then on this one here, we know that we'd take, this is the original price, was $19.99. You subtract the $3.99.
Yeah.
$3.99.
$16.
All right, perfect. All right, so try this next one here.
Okay. So the belted AirPods are 30% off. The one you like costs $35.99. How much will the belt be after the discount? So $35.99 times 0.3 equals, so $10.79, and then the original price minus that.
Yep.
So then $35.99 minus $10.79 equals $25.52.
Perfect. All right, just one more.
Okay. Dylan needs a raincoat for spring. You find a Spider-Man raincoat at for $17.99. You have a coupon for 25% off. How much will the raincoat be? So $17.99 times 0.25. 25 equals $4.49. And we do $17.99 minus $4.49 equals $13.05.
Yep, perfect. Awesome. Do you think that if you were going to a store, you would remember how to do this?
Yeah.
All right, cool. You know, sometimes they have like that chart that'll say like if it's 20% off, it'll be this. If it's 20, but they don't always have that. And so I like to know before I get to the counter how much it's going to be, so I don't have to be like, never mind.
Yeah.
I don't really want that. All right, thank you. Awesome.
You're welcome.